If it's misty, it's not worth it. But on a day like this, with the scope, we can watch whales from up here too. Yeah. Yeah, we can see, you don't get close-up views, obviously, but yeah, you get spouts and you can watch the hump breach. They did lots of studies, lots of research, and determined that we had to stay very close to our seed source. We had to plant trees in an area from trees in the area. And it really reformed the seedling growing industry in Oregon. Oh, it's a little fawn. Oh, she just lost her spot. Hooty-hoo, hooty-hoo. When you feed birds, you have to keep your feeders clean, you have to keep your feed dry, and make it easy to fill. So this one works pretty well. For this project, let's all do the small birds and then cut finely all the slots and everything. You can trace and then cut. That's the way I do it. Did you hear that sheep there, that bird call? That's a flicker. Yeah, he likes to come into the shed. He's saying, hopefully your birds will like them.
Oysters start making shell within the first day of life. The oysters are looking to cement themselves down and they metamorphize. They change the material they're making their shell out of, so now they're going to start looking like the oyster you know. So these are all destined for Neatards Bay.
We're going to go out here and check out some of our grounds. So we'll check out 2 different growing methods at this time out there. Every oyster shell is shucked, cleaned, and reused. This has probably been here about 3-4 years, I'd say, and then this one has been only about a year. And we have tens of thousands of them out there. I mean, it's year-round harvest. You know, we're bringing at least a dump truck a day full of oysters from the bay. We got cocktail sauce in the red, a few hot sauces, salt and pepper, some fresh oysters.
Explore nature. Our next guided adventure awaits you. Join the fun.